Mayo Jotije 30 mag kembe sukari mane piny owacho keto e lwet ji giwegi chano dhi ng'anyo mar tipo kaluwore kod gowi mar osara ma sirikal pok ochulogi maromo silings bilion 10.8. Kotene kod jagoro margi maduong' mar riwruog jotije kod jopur niang Francis Wangara, sirikal nosingo mar chulo silings bilion 4 kuom mane porone sirikal ok ochulo gowi mar osach gi nom nyaka chieng' chulgi ahinya to ne jotije kembe sukari 4 manoket e lwet ji giwegi.
We had a discussion with the Minister for Agriculture, Mr. Mutahi Kagwe, and his PS, Mr. Rono, who indicated that government was committed to make those payments before December. When it came to end of November, they were not able to pay that money. They made another promise that money was going to be paid before called me and my chair. We had a meeting with him in Eldoret, where he confirmed that the amount was going to be paid to the workers before they proceed for Christmas. We did not see that money up to and after Christmas. Now they came to say that the money, the Treasury had agreed to make payment in the second week of January. As before Thursday next week. If they don't do so, the workers will be out, farmers will be out, suppliers will be out, and everybody will be out to
apply for your loan and